Hi guys, this is Neha from Besant Technology Electronic City, and we are going to discuss about place student success story. Student name is Karan. He got completed Python and data science program in our branch, and now he got selected in UST Global with a package of 3.5 lakh per annum. His profile is BE from RNS Institute of Technology. Karan, you can give your feedback now.
My name is Karan. I am from Bangalore. I have done my engineering in electrical and electronics from RNS Institute of Technology. I have joined for data science master's program in Besant technology, and I have completed the whole course, and I got placed in UST Global recently. And my trainer name is Virendra sir, who taught us really well and very in depth. And my coordinators were Bala sir and Santosh sir. Thank you Besant Technology for giving this opportunity.